Most people think making money with AI means trading crypto, learning to code, or building complicated apps. But that's not how most people are actually making money with AI. There is a much simpler way. And businesses are already paying for it every single month. No coding, no paid ads, no experience needed. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works. Right now, millions of people are trying to start online businesses. They're making YouTube videos, selling courses, flipping products, or learning difficult skills. But businesses don't care about your hustle. They care about one thing: saving time. If you can save time for a business using AI, they will happily pay you for it. Here's the problem most businesses have. They create long content, videos, podcasts, meetings, interviews, but they don't have the time or energy to turn that content into short clips, posts, or summaries. They know they should be doing it. They just don't want to. And that's where AI comes in. Today, AI can take one long video and turn it into 10 or even 20 short clips. It can automatically add captions, summarize content, and rewrite it for different platforms. What used to take hours now takes just a few minutes. Businesses know this, but they don't want to learn new tools. They want someone else to handle it. That someone can be you. This is called an AI-powered service. You don't build anything. You don't sell a product. You simply use AI tools to deliver a result for a business. And you charge monthly. Here's how the money works. You offer a simple service like content repurposing. You take long videos and turn them into short, ready-to-post content. Businesses pay between $300 and $1,000 per month for this. Just 2 clients can create strong side income. 5 clients can replace a full-time job. No virality required. No big audience required. Now let's break this down into simple steps. Step 1, choose one service. Don't overthink this. Pick one thing. Short form clips, podcast summaries, social media captions, or meeting summaries. One service, one clear outcome. Step 2, let AI do most of the work. You upload the content. AI processes it. You do light editing and deliver. Speed is your advantage. Businesses care more about consistency than perfection. Step 3, find clients. You don't need a website or a large following. Go where businesses already are: YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Send a simple message. Offer to do one free sample. A free sample builds trust faster than any sales pitch. This works because of psychology. Businesses don't want to think. They don't want friction. They want problems handled for them. Monthly services feel safe to them. And that's why this model scales. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Don't try to learn every AI tool. Don't try to help everyone. Don't charge too low. And don't over-edit. Keep it simple. Deliver fast. Charge monthly. Here's the truth. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing slow workflows. If you can connect AI to a real business problem, you are not late. You are early. Now let me tell you something most people don't realize. 5 years ago, social media managers were rare. 10 years ago, app developers were expensive. The people who made the most money weren't the smartest. They were the first to solve a simple problem at the right time. AI is that moment again. Not for people chasing overnight success, but for people who understand one thing. Businesses don't buy tools. They buy results. Here's the simple framework I want you to remember. Step 1, don't ask, how do I make money with AI? Ask, what task do businesses repeat every week? Step 2, use AI to reduce that task from hours to minutes. That time gap is where money is created. Step 3, don't sell AI, sell relief. I'll handle this for you every month. I've seen people with no degree, no tech background, and no audience turn simple AI services into stable income. Not because they were lucky, but because they stopped chasing trends and started solving boring problems. Boring problems pay. Loud trends don't. Here's the truth. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing slow workflows. If you can connect AI to a real business problem, you are not late. You are early. If you want to learn the exact AI tools, simple pricing models, and beginner-friendly steps, subscribe to this channel. This channel breaks down AI and money in the simplest way possible. We don't chase virality here. We build leverage.